When you're hunting or surveying distant objects, it would be ideal to have a good pair of tactical binoculars. The best tactical binoculars can give you full details of the image even in the dark from several yards away. They're helpful for many reasons, including combat, hunting, and training. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 tactical binoculars on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Oxer 12x25 Compact Binoculars. These compact military binoculars come with clear low-light vision and a large eyepiece to fit eyeglasses. The 12x25 model offers 12x magnification and a wide field of view that can see up to 1,000 yards away. Surprisingly, this pair of binos feel weighted, so they don't feel like children's toys at all. Given the construction and design limitations, I'm impressed with its sharp images and color acuity. The FMC multi-layer broadband green film seems to do its job well in offering a clear image and incredible visual experience. The 12x magnification power is astonishing because it allows me to count the grass blades at 200 yards. I'm completely astonished by the fact that I can get a pair of binoculars with nice optics. Since these tactical binoculars are compact, I can hold them in one hand comfortably. Thankfully, there's no tint on the glass, so I can see clearly even in low-light situations. Both the sights on both lenses are adjustable, so it's easy to get a clearer visual. Best of all, I like the feel of the rubber armor because it feels comfortable to the touch. If there's something to dislike, it would be the durability because the binos seem to fall apart easily. There's also no night vision to make it useful in complete darkness. Number 2. Adorgan 12x42 Powerful Binoculars. The Adorgan 12x42 are powerful binoculars yet lightweight enough to carry anywhere. Images remain clear even from 650 feet away, making them ideal for hunting, bird viewing, and travel. I really appreciate that these binoculars are super lightweight because I feel relieved when I take a long walk. The focus also stands out because it only takes a few minutes, which is essential for hunting. With 12x magnification power, I can get a closer view and more details on the birds and deer I'm watching. For the size, the 12x42 model delivers clear optics with a decent field of view. The eyepieces are large, so they maximize the 12 magnification in delivering a bigger image and clearer details. These binoculars are so compact that I can fit them in my camera bag's front pocket. It's quite surprising that the binoculars are fully multi-coated and feature a big BAK4 prism, given the price. The construction is even rugged to endure outdoor use. Again, I always appreciate good adjustable eye cups because they allow me to adjust the eye relief to fit my glasses. However, these tactical binoculars won't work in complete darkness, only in low-light situations. Also, they get foggy in the cold weather and ambient humidity. Number 3. Creative XP Digital Night Vision Binoculars. Creative XP offers another tactical binocular night vision model, which comes in handy in hunting, security, and spy purposes. I love their high-quality optics because they allow me to see everything at night. These electronic binoculars military model provides the convenience of a digital camera and a tactical binocular in a single product. Besides zooming in 7 times, these binoculars can also take photos and videos. I love that I can take videos with sound, making it easy to record my hunts anytime. My favorite is the 4-inch display screen because it's big enough to view images perfectly. Also, the night vision makes things look so clear and crisp even from 100 yards away in low-light conditions. I was able to play with the binoculars for about 6 hours and the battery life was still solid. The focus is incredibly smooth, making it easy to take clear videos and images. I appreciate the infrared illuminator because it eliminates the need to use an external light when hunting at night. Also, it's a bonus to have many useful accessories, such as the 32 GB South Dakota card reader, and protective case. However, the buttons aren't smooth to operate. I have to make a few clicks to make them work. I also dislike the size because these binoculars are quite large and bulky to hold on my forehead. Number 4. Uskimol 10x50 Marine Binoculars. The Uskimol 10x50 is a good pair of military binoculars with a rangefinder, perfect for watching wildlife, hunting, and boating. These U.S. Army binoculars also feature a high-quality BAK4 prism and waterproof construction. The 10x50 model almost has the same specs as M22 binoculars, which are used in the military. The only difference is that the 10x50 offers more adjustability, which is incredible because I wear trifocal glasses sometimes. I like that these binoculars don't fog up even when in use in Gulf Coast heat and humidity. The distances seem to be precise, and I can see my rifle shots clearly. Additionally, the focus is very simple as it only takes a dial in the binoculars for each eye or both. Approximately, the magnification can zoom in 10 times more, and the good news is that there's less reflected light in the objective lens, thanks to the green FMC coating. The compass is a nice feature to have because I'm poor with directions. With the rangefinder, I can determine the distance and size of the object perfectly. This model is a perfect pair of night vision binoculars because they offer the image's maximum brightness even in low light conditions. However, the rubber end caps get loose easily, but that's only a problem if you're bringing the binoculars outside the case when hiking. These binoculars are also a bit too large and heavy for elk hunting. Number 5. Steiner 10x28 Tactical Binoculars. These 10x28 Steiner binoculars are created with ergonomics and an excellent field of view that's superior anywhere. They feature lightweight optics for your active lifestyle and sturdy construction for rugged use. As I've said, these compact tactical binoculars are extremely lightweight thanks to the roof prism design. The lightweight design makes these Steiner binoculars easy to pack and carry in your travel bag. In addition, the click-lock system allows the attachment and release of the neck strap immediately with a simple push of a button. My favorite is the central focusing wheel because it shows crisp images from close up to infinity. More importantly, the wheel needs minimal rotation to take a quick close focus. Best of all, these lightweight binoculars are comfortable to use because they rest nicely in the palms, plus the scopes have large knobs for accessible settings. One thing that's known about Steiner binoculars is that their optics are incredibly tough. They can endure the occasional beating. I had dropped these best tactical binoculars a couple of times, but they're still intact. However, the pictures aren't too bright when used in low light conditions because the lenses are a little small. More specifically, the images seem to be less clear in the late evening or early morning. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.